The data couldn't be read error in the DoorDash app means the app is failing to load or sync data from DoorDash's servers. This often happens during checkout, managing your cart, or browsing menus. It's caused by data synchronization failures due to weak internet, app crashes, or server overloads, along with session and cache issues where your login expires or the app stores outdated info. This error is more common on Android devices and can also be triggered by JavaScript errors or ad blockers on web browsers. DoorDash acknowledges this as a known issue. The primary fix suggested by DoorDash is to rebuild cart and Relogin. Rebuilding your cart refreshes the item data directly from DoorDash, while relogging clears your session token, forcing a new authentication. If that doesn't work, try these additional steps. First, force close the app. Second, clear the app's cache and storage. Third, check for app updates. Fourth, restart your device. Fifth, switch to a different network like Wi-Fi. To prevent this error in the future, use a stable Wi-Fi connection, keep your app updated, and avoid multitasking while ordering.